Hello, welcome viewers. In this video, I will show you how you can use Google VEO3 free and generate unlimited viral video like me. At first, search in Google Cloud Skill and open this web. Then you can see here the sign-in option. You have to sign in. I signed in with Google. Then add your date of birth here and finish the CAPTCHA and click on I accepted. Now you can see the Explore option, click here, then scroll down and search for Generative AI. Then you can see this Generative AI with Vertex AI prompt design, click on this. Now click on the Start Lab, Verify CAPTCHA. Now you have to wait here 3 minutes as you can see they mentioned. Okay, after 3 minutes you can see Option Open Google Cloud Console. Right-click on it and select Open in New Incognito window. I'm sorry for the language, but it's simple. Click on I understand. Now click Country, select Agree and Continue. Now in the left you can see Vertex AI option. Click on it. Click on Media Studio. Click on VEO Video Generate. Boom! Now you can see here option to generate video with VEO3, Fast, VEO3, VEO3 Preview. You can generate here unlimited video. Let's generate a video with prompt. Boom! Look, beautiful video with audio generated by VEO3, and there is no limitation. So, make good content, go viral, and earn money.